Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this I'll be showing you guys how to go about doing the glitch effect using Photoshop. If you are just come across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is the glitch effect on the image right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to create a new um document. I'm going to use the size of the image. You can just bring in the image to the Photoshop directly, or copy the size I'm using. So this is a new page already, so I'm going to bring in the tutorial. I say the tutorial, the pics I mean. So this is the pics. So we're going to duplicate it. So we're going to name this image hot tone. That's what we're going to name it as. We're going to name it as hot tone. So after doing that, we're going to go to the filter, then we'll go to filter gallery. So I have to wait for Photoshop to open it. So under, let me first click on this. Let me fit it to screen first for us to see it well. Yeah, let the stuff load. Then under sketch, we're going to click on hot tone. These are the stuff we're going to look like. Then we'll set the size to 8. The contrast, we're going to set it to 5. The hot tone type, we're going to set it to line. So we'll click on OK. It's going to do like this. Then after doing that, we're going to on our keyboard duplicate it again. After duplicating, we're going to convert it to smart object. If you want to duplicate, you can press Ctrl Shift E. So it's going to duplicate it for you. So after doing that, right click and click on blending options. After converting it to smart object, then we uncheck the R. Then we'll click on OK. Then after doing that again, we'll go to filter, then styles, then wind. We're going to click on wind. Then we'll click on stagger, and then from the right, that's what we're going to click on. Then we'll click on, wait for it, you can see. Then we'll click on the effect, then select our brush tool. Make sure the stuff and the foreground is on black. Then make sure the opacity of the brush is 100, the flow is 100 too. The smoothness is 0. Then you use the brush to treat the face. It's already the side of the picture we need to do the glitch effect on. So we're going to use the brush to do the face. Then after doing that, on our keyboard, if you want to add hue and saturation, if you want to change the color of this of the effect, you can see, just go to hue and saturation, then change it just like this. Then so after doing that, on our keyboard we press Ctrl Shift N. You name it noise. Then we change the mode to linear light. Then you fill in, you click on fill with this layer. Then we'll go to filter, then go to noise, add noise, then we set it to 50% and click on uniform. Go to blur, Gaussian blur, then we'll set it to 1. You can see it. So that's it on how to go about doing the glitch effect using Photoshop. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. See you in my next tutorial.